which is the upheaval that one is seeing in Nepal. There is an update coming in. Now, 3 people have been killed in the protests that have taken place and rocked Kathmandu today. Tear gas and water cannons were fired at the protesters after they managed to pass several key barricades and reached very close to the Prime Minister's office and also the Parliament compound. Update coming in that 3 people are now dead in those protests. Thousands marched today in the capital, in Kathmandu, essentially protesting against the 4th of September order by the Nepal government, which blocked 26 social media apps. And beyond that, they were also protesting what they said was rampant corruption in Nepal under the present government. With the numbers climbing up, the death toll climbing up, how will things now unfold? Will this protest die down? Will it finally come under control, or will things remain fluid? Is the question that we are asking. On your screens are those visuals and updates coming in. Let's quickly now play out the soundbite, including of the Nepalese Prime Minister, and also a reaction from the student body that organized this.
नेपालको कानुन मान्नुपर्ने, कुनै विदेशीले कारोबार गर्यो भने कानुन मान्नु नपर्ने, जेनजी पुस्तालाई पिर पर्यो अरे, राम्रो लागेन अरे, जेनजी पुस्ता भन्ने चाहिँ नि कुनै ठगी खाने भाडो हो?
Protest? Yeah, this is my first time I'm against the corruption.
तपाईले करप्सन भइराछ भनेर चाहिँ कसरी थाहा पाउनु भयो?
अब हेर्नुस्, नेपाल सरकार एकदमै अब झुट झुट नबोल्दिन म, नेपाल एकदमै गरिब देश हो। मान्छेले सरकारले तलब खान्छन् 77,000 75,000, अनि विकली मालदिप्स ट्रिप, युरोप ट्रिप कहाँबाट आइरहेछ त? हाम्रै ट्याक्स भरेको पैसाबाट। अब यदि त्यो ट्याक्स तिरेको पैसा सही ठाउँमा लगानी भएको भए अहिले हामी भत्केको रोडमा हिँड्नु पर्थ्यो त? त्यो त्यही भएर करप्सन त भएको छ।
All right, Sabeen Dhamala, who's a senior reporter at the news agency Nepal, joins us for an update and to tell us how things are looking right now on ground. Sabeen, walk us through the latest updates that we are getting. It seems that the death number and the death toll has actually climbed up to 3 right now. Tell us what's really happening on ground.
धन्यवाद गौरी जी। फिलहाल मैं ग्राउंड पे तो नहीं हूँ, अभी आया ग्राउंड से, क्योंकि वहाँ कर्फ्यू लगाई गई है। फिर भी प्रोटेस्ट जारी है। वहाँ 4 लोगों को मौत हो गई है और इसका संख्या बढ़ने वाली है। जो हालात वहाँ पे है अभी वो बयां करना मुश्किल है। फिर भी देखो, हाल मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि सप्ताह पहले नेपाल गवर्नमेंट ने इस सोशल मीडिया को बैन किया। वो अपने कानून के तहत आने के लिए बहुत बार उन्होंने न्योता भी दिया, वो आग्रह भी किया। तो उस दरमियान चाहे फेसबुक हो या मेटा ग्रुप का कोई भी नहीं आया। तो 26 ऐसे सोशल साइट थे वो बैन हो गए। इसी के चलते यहाँ एक असंतुष्टि और एक यहाँ का नाराजगी तो पहले से ही था, लेकिन ये सोशल मीडिया बैन होने पे उसको आग में घी जैसे हो गया। तो ये 8 सितंबर का एक जेनजी पुस्ता जो बोलते हैं जेनजी ग्रुप ने एक प्रोटेस्ट का ऐलान किया। धीरे धीरे करके ये काठमांडू में था और देश के अन्य अन्य शहरों में भी इस तरह का प्रोटेस्ट हुआ है और वहाँ मुठभेड़ भी हुआ है। अभी तक काठमांडू के बाहर से कोई उसका मृत्यु का या कोई जघन्य जो दुर्घटना कहा उसका अभी तक समाचार तो नहीं आया है, लेकिन वो आने वाली है। जहां दमक जो ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ नेपाल है वहां भी एक मुठभेड़, गहरी मुठभेड़ हो गई है। इसी तरह पोखरा में और बुटोल में इस तरह का मुठभेड़ हो गई है। वहाँ भी ये अनहोनी हो सकता है, लेकिन काठमांडू में क्योंकि ये राजधानी भी है उस हिसाब से देखे जाए तो यहाँ और तादाद और संख्या और नाराजगी, क्योंकि ये सेंट्रलाइज हो गया है, तो यहाँ बढ़ रही है। तो प्रोटेस्टर ने जो नेपाल के संसद के आगे का जो मेन 3 गेट था उसको तोड़ के भीतर भी गए थे। आज ही नेशनल असेंबली का सेशन भी था उसको स्थगित कराया गया और वहाँ से जो 100 से बड़ी ज़्यादा जितने भी प्रोटेस्टर थे उसको पुलिस ने निकाल दिया और उसके बाहर आके आगजनी और तोड़फोड़ में उतर गए। हालांकि अभी यहाँ कर्फ्यू 5 जगह पे, काठमांडू में 5 जगह पे कर्फ्यू जारी है, अभी कर्फ्यू लगाई गई है। अब थोड़ा थोड़ा करके देखते हैं, ये माहौल शांत होने वाली है, लेकिन फिलहाल अभी तक तो माहौल वही है।
Till now, the situation remains in fact, it's quite tense, and curfew has now been extended to several other areas in Kathmandu, and that, of course, includes many of the restricted parts. Ashika Caudle, who is the Central Committee member of the National Students' Union of Nepali Congress, joins us on the broadcast. Ashika, how do you see the situation right now on ground? You are a member of one of the political parties' student union wing. How do you see the situation right now on ground? Have the protesters seen their demands being met?
Hello. So the situation here is very worse. Nepal has been facing economic crisis since the COVID, and the youths are facing unemployment and various economic issues. And they had been raising those issues through digital platform, through digital activism. But after the government's ban on social media, the youth have chosen the street to raise their voice. And I had heard just some minutes ago that one guy has died on the street, one protester has died, and the tensions are very much escalated. There's everything is closed. There's curfew, and the protesters have been found to violate some laws of the parliament, because the outside territory of parliament has been broken. The walls of the parliament has been broken by the protesters, and one has been found dead, and some of them are injured. And the police has announced a curfew, and the tension is very high. And I am living around the area of parliament, and the whole day has been very unpeaceful. It has been very scary. That's the situation right now, and I don't think the youths are able to give their voice, because the government has been escalating so much tension. They have fired the guns and some gases, and it's very, very heart wrenching to see the situation of the youth.
Ashika, how many students and how many youth had actually come out on the streets in Kathmandu? Do you have any figures?
No.
Do you know the number of
there's
places where protests were taking place?
Yes. So there's no such number, but it was found that the protest was escalated here in the capital city Kathmandu, as well as some major cities like Dang, Rupandei, and Pokhara. But majorly it was done in Kathmandu's Maitigarh.